Turner, tua'r canol, dros pawb, a mae bron yn mynd fewn, ond mae'n cael ei chlirio, mae'r bêl dal yna, ac oes a lawiad, oes, mae yna lawiad yn y cwrt Cosby. Mi ddoth y bêl yna i fewn i'r canol, mi o'n a gynnig at gol, o gyna mi o'n a lawiad gan Aberystwyth, felly mi fydd i yn gic o'r smotyn. Turner i gefn yr hwyd, gol gynta'r tymor yn y gyngred i Jasmine Turner. Nôl at Rebecca Mathias yn ergydio o bell, a Rebecca Mathias am gol ac am amser i sgorio i Aberystwyth. Gafodd y golwr law iddi, ond mi o'na ormod ar nerth ar honna gan Rebecca Mathias.
Great point. They probably deserved the 3 points, if I'm honest. The girls are upset, but as I said to them, it's the first points that we've got. So this is a building block now. They're working so hard in training. They deserve something out of this game today.
And you said they're a bit disappointed that they didn't get that 3 points because Aberystwyth scored in the 90th minute. And that must have been disappointing for them.
Yeah, devastating. But all the hard work they did, all the good things they did in the game, they got to focus on that, all the positives, and we've got loads of them out of the game today.
What changed today? What was that spark that initiated that draw in the end? What was there something different on the field?
No, we've been working hard in training on shape and structure, and the girls took it on board today, and their press was really good. At times, if we can just keep doing that more often during the game, we'll be more successful and take a bit more care going forward. We could have had 2 or 3 goals, but we're really happy with the point today.
Wel, mae rhaid i fi fod yn onest, perfformiad gwael gen i ni, a mae'r genethod i gyd yn gwybod. Oedd hon yn gêm fawr i ni heddiw, oedd rhaid i ni cael 3 points os oedden ni isio fod yn y pedwerydd spot, basically, fas ni ddeud. Blan y diwedd, dwi'n hapus efo point. Rhaid fi ddeud eto ydy yr gêm gweithio dyn ni wedi chwarae flwyddyn yma.
Faint o ergyd ydy hwnna i'ch gobeithio chi i gyrraedd yr 4 yna?
Wel, mae results wedi mynd efo ni heddiw, so da ni'n gwybod blaw oedd hi'n bwysig iawn i ni ddod yma i gael 3 points. Ac yn ffodus, da ni heb di gael, da ni heb di cochi hefyd. Da ni symud ymlaen wrth nesaf, mae rhaid i, fel TNS i ddwad i Aberystwyth, mae gemau mawr dal i fod yn Parc Avenue. A gobeithio fydden ni'n cael y pwyntiau da ni isio.